Hey guys, this is Konkona Bhadri. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to share a product review with you guys. And today I am going to review this Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water. But before watching, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and also give this video a big thumbs up. So let's roll. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's a bottle packaging and it's written Kama Ayurveda Pure Rose Water Face and Body Mist Steam Distilled, and it gives you a 50 ml of product and its price is rupees 275. So it's saying that this rose water is made from the roses of Kannauj, a region in the North India, rich in white clay soil, conducive to roses growth. The steam distillation process used to create this wonderful rose water ensures the high level of hygiene and purity. Rose water is a natural astringent. It balances and restores skin's pH level and helps tighten pores. So it is free of artificial fragrances, colorants, preservations and petrochemicals, and it is for external use only. Store in cool dry place. Keep away from child. Avoid contact with ice. If contact occurs, rinse well with clean water. So this is what it has to say about the product. It is a distilled rose water. It is a steam distilled rose water. That means that it has been distilled and it is the most pure rose water that we have ever tried. Me and my mother have ever tried. This is the most pure rose water. I have heard a lot of reviews about this rose water from lot of bloggers, and even a lot of famous beauty influencers love this rose water. And if you are following me for some time, then you already know that rose water is not a thing that I particularly love using because it bothers me. I normally like rose, but the fragrances of rose water that products have bothers me. But to be very honest, it does not have that strong fragrance. It has rose water fragrance, but the fragrance is not that strong. So if you are following me for some time, you know that I hate strong fragrances of rose water, so I do not use them. My mother uses them, but this does not have a very strong fragrance, so I don't have a problem after using this. My mother only uses it. Sometimes I use it, very rarely. I have used it for 5-6 times, very rarely, but this is actually used by my mother. So you can see that the water level is right here and it's almost over. The product is very less. It is only 50 ml and its price is rupees 275. I guess they could have given more product in price of 275. It's almost 300. They could have given a bit more product, but as it is a very Kama Ayurveda is kind of a luxurious company, I would say, so that is why its price is more, and it is also the most pure rose water. This is the distilled water. So you can not only use it as a toner on your face, you can also use it as a body mist, as a perfume, you can say. Body mist is not perfume exactly, but body mists are kind of perfumes. So not only you can use it in your face as a toner, you can also use it as a body mist in your body. So that is a plus point about this. And the pump packaging is very nice. It does not give you the strong pump. You can also use it as a setting spray. Sometimes I use it as a setting spray. Say that this is a really good rose water, and if you are looking for a good rose water from kind of a high-end brand, and that gives you the most pure rose water, and it is distilled, does not has any fake fragrance, any color, nothing, just very pure. So if you want to try something like this, then I would definitely suggest this rose water to you, because Kama Ayurvedic rose water is really good, and I would love to try the lavender water for me. So yeah, you can use it for every skin type. There is no skin type for this. Every skin type of people can use it. So yeah, I would definitely suggest you all to buy it and use it. You will definitely love it. So that's all for the video and the review. It was very short but informative. I hope you guys will enjoy watching it, and if you do, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.